In a sale, the price of a computer is reduced by 20%. At this reduced price, the shopkeeper still makes a profit of 20%. What would have been his percentage profit if the computer had been sold at full price? So what we can do is assume that the cost price, so we can assume that the cost price is X. The cost price is X, whatever is the currency value. So assume that the cost price is X and the selling price is Y. Okay, so I'm using algebra to solve this, but you don't have to use algebra. You can come up with any smart method to solve this question. And the selling price is Y. So now they're saying the price of the computer is reduced by 20%. So the selling price would go down by 20%. So reduced selling price would be down by 20%. So it's 80%. So 0.8y. So now the profit is 20%. So the profit would be is 0.8y minus x out of x times 100 is 20. So therefore you can write 0.8y minus x out of x equals 0.2, and therefore 0.8y minus x equals 0.2x. So we would get 0.8y is 1.2x, or therefore y would be 1.2 divided by 0.8, and that is 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 2, so 3 out of 2x. So we get y is 3 out of 2x. So now you see what would have been his percentage profit if the computer had been sold at full price. So we've got, he's selling it at full price, so that's it, selling it at y. So we can change that to y2. So y is now 3 out of 2x. So that is the full price. Is now being sold at 3 out of 2x. So this is the price at which it's sold. So therefore profit would be 3 out of 2x minus x out of x times 100, and that equals half x divided by x times 100, and that is 50%. And that is the answer, 50%. So if it had been sold at full price, the profit would have been 50%.